Hurry up, Ming!
Oh, go, try.
Ming.
No, what?
No, hurry up. Hurry up!
Singapore is one of the best places in the world to eat out. It's a food lover's paradise. But that doesn't mean it can't become even better. We're 4 chefs on a mission to create food that's great on taste and just as good for your body.
My biryani rice is gilas.
Oh, that's gonna burn. Taking over kitchens to make classic Singapore dishes healthier.
Everybody do set face.
Okay. It's a kitchen invasion.
May the siu tai froth be with you. Ming,
yes.
You know I have a 4-year-old son, right?
You have a someone wanted to marry you.
Ming, listen up.
Yes.
Okay. So early child development is very important.
Yes, so we are here
Because there's one good childcare over here.
So are we going to invade them? Is that the perfect place
Please.
to go to?
Go, let's go.
All right, time to invade.
Are you having lunch? What is this? Sweet and sour fish. Okay, I know you all love this word. Vegetables.
No?
Yes!
Vegetables?
No vegetables! Yes! Who you all think will win in today's cooking challenge? Okay. Yes, Uncle Bob? Yes?
Tastier food. Sweet and sour fish, yes? No. Uncle Bob, no. Go, Uncle Ming. Go, Uncle Ming. Go.
So we know what they are eating.
Yes.
And they love what they eat.
They seem to really enjoy the sweetness of the dish.
Precisely. It's a tall order for us to make it into a healthier version.
Yep.
Yet retain the yumminess.
All right, time to get into the kitchen and figure this out.
Ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am.
Hi.
Good morning.
Hi. You are?
Miss Faith here. May I ask what you're here for?
We are here to invade your kitchen and cook inside.
Yeah.
Invade my kitchen?
We're looking for someone that is willing to take us up on this offer. So you get to choose a dish, right, that you are currently serving in Initium Academy. We are both going to recreate that dish, add healthier elements to it, and still retain the yumminess.
One dish that the children really like is
Yep.
Sweet and sour fish.
Sweet and sour fish. We need to try this dish first before we can understand it a little bit more.
Yeah, sure.
Miss Faith, thank you for having us here. There's only one thing left to do. The fish is nice and meaty. I really like this dish, but I do think that there are components I could add to this that increase texture, increase color. Make sure that there is a good combination of vegetables.
For me, it's so good. It's that tasty.
The problem is we need a little bit of inspiration to help us find components we can put into this, turn it into a healthier dish.
You know who can we call?
All right.
Call her, Ming?
But
I see you guys are having sweet and sour fish today.
Yes, ma'am.
yes. What do you have in your bag of tricks?
Maybe a bit more color. This is capsicum, also known as bell pepper. Sometimes what I like to do is use it as a bowl even. You can chop off the top and stuff it with meat and brown rice, top it with some cheese and stick it in the oven and bake it. So that's a nice way to increase your vegetable intake. Sweet potato. Sweet potato is a starchy vegetable and you can use it to replace rice or noodles. And it's also a versatile root vegetable. You can bake it, boil it. Eggs are a very economical and nutritious way to increase your protein intake. And a lot of the vitamins and minerals are actually found in the yolks.
I have some ideas that I have cooked up in my head.
Can we invade your kitchen?
Sure.
Yeah?
You only have 30 minutes, so get cracking. 30 minutes, come on.
I'm gonna cook cornflakes fish finger with low GI pilaf rice.
Right, I'm making 2 components today. I'm making a Korean vegetable pancake, right, consisting of vegetables, my capsicum, my sweet potato, as well as some spring onions. After that, I'm going to be breading some fish. We are going to bake them in the oven.
kids, they are very choosy when they want to eat. So I'm going to cut this bell pepper minute enough for them to not know it's there, but big enough for the naked eye to see. So not only my dish will teach the kids about colors, but about shapes. What is this shape? Oh, oval, round. What is this shape? Cute. So, Rubik's Cube, Rubik's Cube.
I'm gonna go disturb Bob right now, yeah?
Bro! Oh, you see? You can smell him from far away, man. What the? My cornflakes!
Hey, Bob!
Bro, before I foam you... Don't steal my cornflakes. This is my star ingredient, okay? I'm gonna cook my fish fingers inside this air fryer. Maximum 5 minutes in the air fryer is gonna be done.
Bell peppers now. I'm gonna be making a very simple batter here for the pancake.
What do you think of Ming here? He seems to be using a lot of vegetables.
It's in a pancake, which they like. So it'll be interesting to see whether they take to it or not.
So moving on to Bob's dish, so I see cornflakes and fruits going on there. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's really interesting the way he's bringing in ingredients that the children do recognize.
Yeah.
Can't cook my rice now. My induction stove is acting up on me, so now I need to go into survival mode and I need to find other alternatives to cook my rice. And unfortunately for me, that other alternative is Ming.
1, 2, 3. So, Korean pancake done.
Sup, bro?
Oh no, what is that coming to do again?
Sup, bro?
You want something?
I need to borrow your induction stove because, bro, your induction stove, they give a state of the art, sir.
No, go away, no. Are you trying to sabotage my dish? Out of my kitchen, please.
Why? You see, he's the grandfather of all grandfathers.
He gives the good equipment to the chef that know how to use them.
Nice, okay. So this Ming not gonna lend me that stove. I got a secret weapon, man. You wait, Ming. Oh my God! You wait, Ming. You wait.
All right, we're using fish. Fish is a lean protein. It contains healthy fats. I'm gonna try and make them these crispy fish fingers.
Guys, listen here. You need to ask Uncle Ming, okay? Borrow Uncle Bob the stove, please, okay?
Not like that.
Please, Uncle Ming. I want to borrow your stove.
What's gotten into Bob?
Everybody do sad face. Uncle Ming! Uncle Ming! Uncle Ming!
Okay. Where did Bob get these reinforcements from?
1, 2, 3. Thank you, Uncle Ming. You are the best.
You're most welcome. Thank you, kids. I'm gonna be trying to make my aluminum foil.
You complete my life.
It's true. Now, when you need to cook in an oven and you don't have an oven tray, we're going to use aluminum foil today to build a tray for the fish. Tray of fish going into the oven. All right, so that's it for about 10 minutes.
The rice. Just the way I like it because it's a bit wet.
And my fish looks done. Crispy on the outside, nice and tender on the inside. Okay, next I'm gonna take my fish. And that is my dish.
All right. Okay, I'm running out of time. Okay, so I'm gonna act fast. Then in goes my fruit, lychee and pineapple. It's naturally sweet, good for kids, okay? And it contains enzyme that break down protein. So this is a natural meat tenderizer. Let's play it. Doesn't it look nice? Hopefully Miss Faith like it. Miss Faith! Where's my golden spoon?
All right, we have the 2 dishes here and they look delicious. Remember what's at stake here. The winner will get the golden spoon. So Miss Faith here is gonna decide what the best dish is based on 2 major criteria. It needs to be both healthier and just as delicious as the original dish. Before we get started, you guys, please explain your dishes.
Right, my dish today here has a vegetable-filled Korean-style pancake. I've got sweet potato. I left the skin on for more fiber and antioxidants. With the fish, I coated this with breadcrumbs. I'm so proud of this dish.
All right, in front of you is a low GI rice with cornflake-battered sweet and sour fish. The capsicum, I just cut it very minute so they wouldn't know that it's even there.
Chefs, I have a surprise for you before we taste. Calling our extra judges. We have special guest judges here.
Hello.
Judge Andy and Judge Lucian here.
Hello.
So, we have 3 judges here, meaning majority vote wins. Dig in, give it a try. Go for it. Is it yummy? How about the crunchiness of the outside? Do you like that? No.
Because it's stuck in my teeth.
Because it's stuck in your teeth. Let's try the other dish. That is also fish, but it's covered in a homemade tomato sauce.
We're worried. We are nervous.
You know there's vegetables in there.
Andy, you seem like you enjoyed that. Did you?
All right, how about any comments from you, Miss Faith?
It's all very refreshing. Watching the children enjoy it, you kind of enjoy the dish too.
You guys ready to vote? You guys ready to point to the dish that you like more? All right, ready for the drum roll? The winner is... Go! Woo! It's a split decision. We have 2-1 here, making this the winning dish.
Yeah! Thank you so much.
Calling for the golden spoon, please. Children, would you like to present the winning spoon to Chef Ming here?
Thank you so much, kid.